Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Food Cravers. This is the quarantine time and we all are at home, but the basic thing which we all are doing is just eating, right? So I thought to make it little easier for moms because I'm going to share pizza recipe. And the dough is instant, without any yeast, you can make completely at home. So without wasting any time, let's get started. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup wheat flour, little bit of salt, pinch of baking powder, 1/4 cup of yogurt, and now we are going to knead it. A little bit of water. It must be cold water. We have to make a loose dough. See, this should be consistency. Allow this to rest for at least 15 minutes. And meanwhile, we will prepare our topping. In a pan, I am going to take a little bit of olive oil. Adding onions in this. Adding bell peppers. We don't have to cook a lot because we need crunchiness of the vegetable. Adding mushrooms. I'm keeping topping very simple, which is accessible to everyone. Adding a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, give it a toss. And this is the recipe especially for my friends who don't have oven. Now you can enjoy pizza without oven. Dash of red chili flakes, completely optional. See, our vegetables are done. I'm going to stop right now. I don't want to overcook. Again, I'm taking a pan and adding a little bit of olive oil. Here we are going to make pizza sauce. Fine chopped garlic and 1 onion. Just saute it well. A little bit of salt. Be careful, we are using salt in everything, in topping, in dough, and also in sauce. It's done. Now I'm adding fresh tomato puree. One thing we have to check for the sauce, it should not be watery. It's done. See, and the consistency should be like this. It's not watery, it's not thick, easy in spreading. That's it. Now we are going to prepare our pizzas on pan. If you have oven, you can definitely use it oven, but I'm going to prepare in a pan. One in a pan and one in an oven. Let's see. Pizza base always has to be made by hand. We don't have to use roller in this. With the help of fork, I'm doing like this on the pan. Allows to cook evenly. We can see it's raising, see? And I'm going to cook from the one side evenly. Wow. And from the another side. This side I'm going to spread sauce and topping. I'm using mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. You can use whichever you have at home. Last not the least, vegetables. A little bit of cheese up from above. Allow this to cook around 5 minutes. I'm going to close the lid like this so that it cooks evenly. If you like the recipe, please do subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, like and comment. It's a quarantine time. Stay at home and be safe. Take care. Bye.